I've got my marks for the electrical. That's the red paint, red flags, fiber optic going to the house, and the marked off part with the stakes is where I've got to do a dig job. A little leach field failure. So I think I'll start with scraping off the top layer, and then I might have to do some hand digging to find some pipes. Now this was one of two distribution lines for the house gray water supply. Now what had happened was, you can see that the 2-inch PVC pipe was too close to the surface, and it had been cracked and damaged. But also, the pipe had been filled full of grease. It was connected to the dishwasher and the sink. So that caused a clog, and going straight across into the leach field, it was also too close to the surface. And due to it being farmland on the right side of the screen, it had been collapsed by tractors. So instead of going straight across, I'm going to make a turn and dig it deeper, putting it about 24 to 30 inches deep. This is the test run. I've let sinks and bathtubs and showers and stuff run, and I'm watching it drain. I've got the grade right. I've put in 50 feet of drain tubes side by side, and I put the socks on them too. I've also put about 3 or 4 inches of crushed stone underneath these. Since I can't drive to where I've got to get this rock, I'll park it here. I'll get it by hand. I think it's neat when you're digging somewhere and you find these mystery items, like that electrical cord right there, and the other end that broke. And if you come up and look this way, you will see absolutely nothing. There's the line, and we're going toward the house. And I don't think there's anything in there either, as the no, the breakers have tripped and everything has a label. Oh well, I'll bury it back up.
Do you need the second pole?
In a minute.
There you go. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Is this like a real pipe?
It is a pipe.
Extremely heavy real pipe.
That's a really heavy hammer.
It is a Daddy, I have a question. Why are you putting these pipes in?
If I ever have to get back in this hole, I'll use a metal detector and I'll find my beginning and my end, and I won't have to guess where they are.
Okay. That's cool.
It's important to fill up the trench very slowly. You can see I'm using a lot of partially filled buckets. I don't want the pipes to collapse, that's why I'm doing it that way. Now on top of the pipe I actually did put about 5-6 inches of creek gravel. I would have preferred to get a truckload of gravel, but I wasn't able to afford it at the time, so I'm just using what I have available. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some more videos, check these out.